I'm getting a little excited about pumpkin season, so I made a pumpkin caramel peanut butter cup protein coffee. Sounds a little strange, don't you worry. You know it's going to be delicious. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and low in calories. Let's do it. Got that ice, baby. Okay, this is a conglomeration. Y'all are married. Girl, listen, it's going to be good. I'm going to go in with pumpkin spice skinny sauce. This is 0 calories, 0 sugar. She's a thick girly like me. Drizzle in the cup. Now, salted caramel skinny sauce, also 0 calories, 0 sugar. And then double fudge skinny sauce. Forgive the paint on my hands. We are still painting doors in the new house. Okay. A lot of painting. So I'm a mess. Okay. Now we're going to use pumpkin caramel skinny syrup. I would do 4 or 5 pumps of that. I need to put my pumps on. I am so lazy right now. Okay. And then peanut butter cup skinny syrup. 4 pumps of that. Coffee. This is the Nescafe coffee with my collagen and colostrum. Chocolate peanut butter protein shake. I know this might sound like a weird combination, but I have high hopes for it, honestly. Mixy mix, babes. Pumpkin spice whipped topping to make her extra gorgina. I should have said jazz her up. Sorry. Y'all know what I mean. Oh, and I have been forgetting this and y'all been letting me know. One for good measure. Always. We didn't forget today. That's so good. Now let's make her extra gorgina with our pumpkin spice skinny sauce drizzled on top. Oh my gosh. Nat, you cannot have any. Sick of Nats. Salted caramel skinny sauce. She's looking like a beaut. Double fudge skinny sauce. Y'all are probably like, oh my gosh, don't worry, babe. It's all low sugar, low calorie. People ask me how many calories, how many grams of protein, and how many grams of sugar are in your coffees. Guys, the coffee's 0. All the skinny sauces, all the skinny syrups, 0. 0 everything. The only calories are coming from your shake. This one is 160 calories, 3 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 30 grams of protein. Okay? Now, if you do add a whipped topping, you get to add those calories. I probably did about 2 servings of this, which should make it about 30 calories, 2 carbs, 2 sugars. There you go. If you don't add the whipped topping, the only calories are from your protein shake. And you don't have to use a whole protein shake if you don't want to. You can absolutely just use a protein shake as creamer and add a little bit in. To each their own. Okay? That's what's fun about these. You can make them your own. I'm just giving you flavor combo ideas, honestly. So here we go. Oh my gosh. All you need to know is yes, and yes.